Welcome to today's video. I am going to give you the 4 ways you can make money look for you and stop looking for it. Please watch to the end and tell me what you think at the end of the video. The first thing to do is to make an online presence. If you are doing anything, maybe you are a photographer, you need to have social media accounts where you post your work, and by doing that, you are attracting potential customers that will call you, and this works for everyone in all professions and businesses. All you need to do is to show people what you are doing, and people get to know. Now this takes us to the next step. The next thing is to have quality work or products. Now that you have an online presence, show people quality and exceptional work to be able to stand out from the crowd. Normally, people want good things, so if you are selling something, it should be of good quality. Or if you are providing any service, your service should be professional and unique. So this takes us to the next step. After showing people that you have the best services and goods, that they need to gain trust in you by being consistent in your work, even at your workplace. You need to be consistently doing the best of you. And you will get salary increase and also more connections from friends. The same applies to a self-employed person. If you are not consistently giving quality services or goods, the customers will run away from you, but more will come if you are consistently good, and the last one is having more value. If you are at your workplace, you need to be a person of more value to the company or organization by having exceptional ideas and other productive things. So if you are of more value, the company is more likely to pay you more money than others. Also, if you're selling goods and services, your goods should be more valuable than your competitors. There you will stand out from the crowd and generate a lot of money. So that is what I had for you. By doing all those things, you will no longer look for money. It will be money looking for you. Tell me what you think in the comment sections. And if you find this video useful, please like it so that it can reach to very many people, and also consider subscribing for more tips to make money. Thank you for watching.